Well, my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up respect, manners to each and everyone. Alright, now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded in Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when a place within the country of Jamaica flooded because of rainfall. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show water running heavily at a place that is located within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, I got the understanding that water run heavily on a road that's located within the country of Jamaica, and that caused a place within the country of Jamaica to flood. And the flood caused a certain amount of motor vehicles to get damaged. And I really and truly hope that the necessary authorities within the country of Jamaica look into this whole situation. So may I say viewers and subscribers, and please share this video so that you can help bring an awareness to viewers and subscribers. See? Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video will be recorded. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. You can also tell me what you think too. Observe.
See woods here. No long MP them to fix this road here. I mean river coast here. See it here. See it here. You come in a pound to make it stream, man. No long enough to fix this road here. See all like blood clot people and vehicle mash up, you know. Flash flood come in, come wash with them and go home so nobody no drown on your line. Or up there, so. People have to rescue people to save their life on river bank, you know. The amount of car wash we got on the road. Remember me tell you. God be the glory.
We are alive.
We are alive. See it here?
Where do I see it? Long time.
You know, I'm more welcome up on the water.
I don't say start get heavy. Right down there in the sinking right on the corner on the so. This say start get heavy. So when I come for some accident car, they jump up in the car and I say, damn man. And this a dude that come block me. Him come stand up back at me and block me, you know. Not even say, boy, you know, my whole reverse and see if we can beat this. But that time we said that there, everything come down. It was a torrent of water come down like a floodgate open. Everything wash out, one wash flooded. People must drown down the line, the whole line of woods mash up. Because they sketch everybody half yard. See it there? He and then don't do it.
Well, my people, and a real, that's a lot of water. Me I tell you the truth. See, so if you did listen to the video carefully, you might have heard when someone said the word woods. And also Ian. You see me and some people. Yeah, and if you look at the video carefully, you can see electricity poles or light pole, as well some people might say. So me I say you can also see like electricity wires and them things, my people. So me I say, yeah, but to see so much water running on a road, viewers and subscribers. Wow. Make me wonder where so much water come from. My people, just to make you know about the video. You can also let me know what you think, alright? And I hope that the necessary authorities take a look into this situation, because this is not normal, my people. Share this video and help bring an awareness, alright? Yeah, share this video and help bring an awareness. Now, there are more than one pieces of videos circulating certain places on social media that shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a man who was holding a gun and persons who are said to be gays or homosexuals. At least one of those videos shows at least two persons with their private parts of their bodies exposed, and two of those videos shows at least one person in the nude. Now, I did not get any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation between the man who was holding the gun and those persons who are said to be homosexuals. Now, my people, I don't like the way how the situation did look, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the situation looked really bad in my point of view. I didn't get any confirmed information if the man who was holding the gun was a licensed firearm holder or not. No, I do not know. You see me I say? I got the understanding that the confrontation happened at a business place. And the video also shows gas pumps that are at a gas station. Now, please bear in mind that because those videos that are circulating certain places on social media shows at least one person in the nude, I will not present those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. But for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present the audio of one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. But I want you to please bear in mind that in this audio, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. You can also hear quite a number of harsh language. One of the reasons why I am presenting the audio of one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because those videos are being talked about on social media. And some of the actions of those persons on the night when those videos have been recorded are unacceptable. And based on some things that you're about to hear in this audio, I would like you to tell me what you think. All right? Now, please bear in mind that this audio is not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. My people, I do business with the way our man or woman want to live his or her life, you know. You see what I say? But the behavior of some of those persons who you can hear in that audio or the video was unacceptable, viewers and subscribers. See? the fact that at least 2 of those persons exposed themselves in public in such a way is unacceptable. You have some people who don't want to experience anything like that. Children should not experience anything like that. See? I mean, I really and truly care who wants to vex when I say certain things about that situation of people, but some of the things then when we see and hear in the video, when we get the audio from viewers and subscribers, are unacceptable. What happened to security, my people? See, security guard or security guards should have made them leave from there, so run them from there, so my people. Me all wonder if the police had been notified about the whole situation as well too. See, at least one of those persons who are said to be gays somewhat opened the door of the business establishment and somewhat went inside. I would say that the person went inside and the person was in the nude. That's unacceptable. Because inside of the business place to sell food items and certain things. You understand? Based on the accent that you can hear quite a number of persons use in the video, they are Jamaicans. See? Yeah, they are Jamaicans. Anyways, my people, so I just me all left it to know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.